Hello everyone, today we are making this beautiful looking smoke fountain and this is a step-by-step tutorial. Please follow along and I hope you enjoy it. Also by beautiful I mean without the glitter. Glitter makes this one looks just dirty and please don't do that. It's just bad. Just don't. Okay then. Follow along.
Material I'll be using is a 2-part epoxy compound. Mix it well, draw shape of flower and leaf you'll be using on a paper and cover its entire surface well. Smoothen the surface of your flower, leaf, whatever you have covered already, and then spill it a bit to give it a very natural look. Not saying that there is anything natural about it. Keeping the general shape of the leaf or flower, whatever you have built first, in mind. Make sure to cut it accordingly as closely as possible. Closer to the shape you cut it, the easier it will be to give it a good shape. Next part is the most tricky of it all. You have to, using any tool you can, shape it in the way that you want. You want the sides to be up so that smoke doesn't spill out at the side. You don't want it to spill out of. Same for both flower part and leaf part of the fountain. You are welcome to use air dry clay or polymer clay instead of epoxy compound if that feels so comfortable in your hand. I've made my cooling tunnel using a straw. Cooling tunnel is very much a necessity because without it, your smoke will not flow downwards. It will try to go upwards even after it comes down out of your incense. So I did not receive sufficient size of sides from my attempt at flower. So I'm making new sides for it. This is not the most ideal situation because dried epoxy does not tend to stick very well to wet epoxy, which is a very annoying thing. Then I'm adding up the cooling chamber, taking this opportunity to do that, and yep, we are almost done with making parts of the smoke fountain.
I'm going to put a straw in the hole and clean up a bit. Then I'll leave it all to dry. After it's dry enough, now with reference to a stand I made, I will completely assemble the structure. Obviously I'm not using enough epoxy compound, please use more because mine broke once and I had to reassemble it with more epoxy so that it actually sticks, because like I said, it will not work all that well to try taking wet epoxy to dry epoxy without using a large quantity of wet epoxy. Then dry all of it and ensure that you use a support. So this is post the breakdown. I am using more epoxy compound to clean up everything so that there are no sharp edges and everything stays smooth, and a good smooth surface will look better than things just sharp and just poking themselves out. So there's that. I'm doing that, and after I let it all dry together, the entirety of structure, and thankfully it didn't break a second time after I used more epoxy. I am going to paint entirety of this one black acrylic paint. Acrylic paint is a necessary evil on this one. Sorry, you might need to cover it up with Mr. Super Clear and or varnish of your choice. And I have no specific recommendation in varnishes. There are many different ones which are available in different countries. You have to choose one which is preferable to you. Just ensure that it's the clear one and not the one that makes the wood brown. Although this is not wood, you'll want it to make it look black so that there's maximum impact of the smoke. Beware, you'll have to do multiple layers of the acrylic paint because one layer might not cover it up just as well as it should be. Let that dry and voila, we're done with that smoke fountain. Enjoy this lovely looking smoke. If you like this video and want more videos like this, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to end voiceover over here so that you guys can enjoy back flowing. Toodles.